This professor of philosophy came to Nanin. He must have come for wrong reasons. He must have come to receive some answers. Those people who are filled with questions are always in search of answers. And Nanin cannot give an answer. It is foolish to be concerned with questions and answers. Nanin can give you a new mind. Nanin can give you a new being. Nanin can give you a new existence in which no questions arise. But Nanin is not interested to answer any particular question. He is not interested in giving you answers. Neither am I. You must have come with many questions. Bound to be so. Because mind gives birth to questions. Mind is a question creating mechanism. Feed anything into it, out comes a question, and many questions follow. Give an answer to it, immediately it converts it into many questions. You are here filled with many questions. Your cup is already full. No need for Nanin to pour any tea into it. You are already overflowing. I can give you a new existence. That's why I have invited you here. I will not give you any answers. All questions, all answers are useless. Just a wastage of energy. But I can transform you, and that is the only answer. And that one answer solves all questions. Philosophy has many questions, many answers, millions. Religion has only one answer. Whatsoever the question, the answer